right, at this point, we are just moving on to a breaking update that we are getting to know of a fire that has been reported in a cracker godown near Bengaluru. In Bengaluru, which is being reported, 2 people we are getting to know have been killed and 2 others have been injured. This is a breaking update that we are getting for our viewers as of now. Let me straight away go across to Sagar Raj. Now, Sagar Raj, give us the details of this explosion that has been reported in a cracker factory.
See, this is New Targupet, and this is one of those areas where it is busy, and it is the godown of several kind of food grains and other stuff. And you can see this is the one such godown which is being owned by a transport company, according to Deputy Commissioner of Police South. And he says that there is no permission granted there to keep any kind of explosive or crackers. But they had stored crackers for many years, and there were employees who were working inside this particular godown. Incident happened an hour back when there was a huge blast which has happened, and there was crackers inside, and the people who were inside this particular godown had come to the injuries. You can see the intensity of this particular blast. The crackers got off. The body was scattered into pieces when police had shifted all these people to the nearest hospital, and 2 of them are injured. And according to the Deputy Commissioner of Police, they are trying to investigate whether they had any kind of license to store these kind of crackers in this particular godown. And you can see here all senior officers, Deputy Commissioner and Fire Department are at the spot and trying to take cognizance of it. And there is also dog squad at the spot to find out whether there was any kind of explosive
which was stored in this particular godown in Bengaluru. Back to you.
Right, Sagar Raj, because we're looking at a massive police presence there, but what exactly is happening? If you can help us understand from those visuals also that you are bringing for us at this point, is there some sort of rescue operation that is also being carried out simultaneously?
The rescue operation is already over, and there was a fire which has already been dozed off by the fire department, which rushed to the place immediately, and the police are trying to ascertain what really went wrong, what is the cause of the fire, what is the cause of the crackers which caught fire in this particular place. And even if you notice, next to that particular godown, there is a puncture shop where they used to fix all the tires and everything, and they're also trying to find out whether there was any kind of blast which has happened due to the tire and which has spread to the crackers godown or anything else. As of now, even the dog squad at the spot trying to find out whether there was any kind of explosive which was preserved in this particular godown. All possible angles has been investigated by the police to try to figure out what really went wrong in this particular area. Even you can see the bomb squad and other squad are also at the spot to find out the explosive and the kind of crackers which was stored inside this particular godown.
Sagar Raj, just help us also understand this entire area where this explosion that has been reported. Are there factories also nearby and adjacent to where this explosion that has been reported? Just help us understand what's happening there.
See, if you notice, this particular place comes in Chamrajpet, which is popularly known as Mandipet, just adjacent to New Targupet area, where you have a lot of shops and mandis where you have food grains and other FMCG materials which has been stored and sold to all retail shops from this particular area. And this area is known for a huge business in weekdays and weekends. And if you notice, there are also godowns in this particular area in Bengaluru where they preserve all kind of food grains and FMCG materials. Along with that, there are also other few shops in this particular place. And most of the people whoever works here are migrators who come from different places, and there are huge trucks which supplies food grains from Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, which has been kept here, and it has been supplied to all the shops and retail shops across Bengaluru and Karnataka. And this is the vicinity where there are huge number of people who commute every single day for their day-to-day business. And this is also one such godown. People felt that this is a transport godown which was maintained by the owner, but suddenly they realized that there were crackers which was being preserved in this particular godown, and which has been a major cause for this particular blast, which has killed 2 people this afternoon.
So we're looking at pictures of fire tenders that have also been brought in, police presence, the dog squad also there present, Sagar Raj. These are the pictures that Republic is getting for you at this point, and the entire area where the explosion happened for now that has been cordoned off. Anything to do with the owners of the factory as far as the police investigation is concerned, Sagar Raj?
Yes, police are trying to investigate and question the owner of the godown as well as the puncture shop next to that particular godown, what really went wrong, and since how many days he has been preserving this particular crackers, because there is no license which has been issued for this particular shop, according to Deputy Commissioner of Police South. And he says that if there is any kind of violation, they will try to book all the owners and the people who are involved with this particular incident, as well as the shops which is here in New Targupet.
All right, Sagar Raj, keep updating us as to the investigation is also concerned. The pictures there on your screens is actually of a fire accident that was reported in a cracker godown in Bengaluru, and what is being said till now, the 2 people have unfortunately lost their lives, around 2 to 3 have also been injured. Those are the breaking updates that we are getting for our viewers, where they can see a lot of police presence and also the dog squad and the fire tenders that have also been pressed into action. And you can see the damage that it has also caused, the explosion that happened, though it is still being able to ascertain as to what exactly caused the explosion, as the investigation by the police continues, as the adjacent buildings have also suffered damage because of that explosion. But these are live pictures from the explosion site in Bengaluru that we are getting for our viewers as of now. 2 people unfortunately have lost their lives, and there are around 2 to 3 people who are set to be injured. We'll keep updating our viewers on the same.